Hello friends, how are you? In this video we shall learn about arithmetic progressions. Welcome to the world of arithmetic progressions or AP. In this video we break down the more basic concepts of arithmetic progression in a super easy and funny way. First of all, we shall see what is an arithmetic progression. So as I told you in our previous video, arithmetic progression is a special case of a sequence where the difference between a term, its preceding term, is always constant, which is known as common difference. So let us see, if the first term is a, then second term will be a plus d. A is taken for the first term and d is the common difference. Third term will be a plus 2d. Fourth term a plus 3d. Or we can say that first term is the first term. Second term is equal to first term plus d. First term plus d. Third term is equal to third term is equal to second term plus d. Second term plus d. So that will be third term. Fourth term, first, second, third, fourth. Fourth term is equal to third term plus d. It means that if we add common difference in its preceding term, we may get the successor of the sequence. Now the question is that how we can identify whether the given sequence is in arithmetic progression or not. तो आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं कि फर्स्ट टर्म जो है वो a है, सेकेंड टर्म फर्स्ट टर्म में अगर d ऐड कर देते हैं वी गेट सेकेंड टर्म, और सेकेंड टर्म में अगर d ऐड कर देते हैं वी गेट थर्ड टर्म, एंड थर्ड टर्म में अगर d ऐड कर देते हैं वी गेट फोर्थ टर्म. This way and so on. So if any term is given and d is given, you can find the preceding term of that term. So this way. Now the question, how you will identify whether the given numbers are in AP or not. So first, we are taking an example. Say the first question or the first part of exercise from NCERT book, the taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is ₹15 for the first kilometer and ₹8 for each additional kilometer. So the first term here will be 15. ₹15 is the first term. ₹15 is the first term. Second term will be, means that each kilometer after 1 kilometer 15 rupees तो वो लेगा ही, he will charge 15 rupees plus 8 rupees of 1 kilometer. So that will be 23 rupees 23. Next kilometer पर वो क्या करेगा, 8 rupees और charge करेगा, he will charge more 8 rupees. So 23 plus 8, or you can say 15 plus 2 into 8. So that will become 15 plus 16, means that is 31. Third term is ₹31, and so on. The fourth term will be A means 15 plus 3 into 8, 8 3 is 24, 15 plus 24, 9, 39, 23, 31, 39. So the AP is 15, 23, 31, the sequences, not AP. We cannot say whether it is AP or not. When we subtract this from this, this from this and get the same thing, or we can say here it is an AP because of we have added the same number and same sequence. So 31 and 39. Now this is the first term A, this is the second term A2, it is called A1, A2, A3 and A4. If we subtract A3 from A4, A4 minus A3, so that will be 39 minus 31, that is equal to 8. Now A3 minus A2 is equal to, we test like this, A3 minus A2 is equal to 31 minus 23, which is also 8. Now A2 minus A1, 23 minus 15, which is also 8. So every time we are getting D is same D, or common difference is the same of these two this sequence. It means that the sequence is in arithmetic progression. This way we can say that the given sequence 15, 23, 31, 39 are in arithmetic progressions. In arithmetic progressions, numbers are added, same numbers are added to first term, then the same number is added to second term, the same number is added to the third term, and so on. Similarly, if it is given, write 4 terms of AP when the first term is A, common difference is D, are given as below. So we have to write 4 terms of the AP. In a very easy way, you learn it. So A is 10, first term is 10, common difference is also 10, D is also 10. We have to write first 4 terms. So first 4 terms. 4 terms of such AP. Are A is 10, means that 10. Second term will be 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10. So that is 20. Third term will be 20 plus 10. So that will be 30. Fourth term will be 30 plus 10. That will be 40. So 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. These are 4 terms. Very easy. You can find it very easily. No problem. Now, similarly, some students makes mistake while taking minus and plus. So I am taking an example. A is equal to minus 2. No, this will be a good example. A is equal to minus 1 and D is equal to 1 upon 2. A is equal to minus 1 and D is equal to, other example, A is equal to minus 1 and D is equal to A is equal to minus 1 and D is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. So the first term will be first term is equal to a, or that is equal to minus 1. Second term is equal to a plus d, means that is equal to minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. So we shall take LCM. LCM will be 2, and when we divide minus 1 with 2, that will be minus 2 plus 1. So that is minus 1 upon 2. Second term is minus 1 upon 2. Now third term. By two ways we can find the third term. By adding 1 upon 2 to minus 1 upon 2, or a plus 2d. Third term. First of all, we are finding third term by adding 1 upon 2 in minus 1 upon 2. So third term will be minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. So that is 0. Third term will be 0. Now by other way, we can also find third term is equal to a plus 2d. 2 into d. So a is minus 1 plus 2 into d is 1 upon 2. 2 is cancelled with 2. That is minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1 is equal to 0. So this way we can find the fourth term. First term is minus 1. Writing here, first term is minus 1. Second term first term is minus 1. Sequence or AP. Minus 1. Second term will be minus 1 upon 2. Third term is 0. Now the fourth term. Similarly, we can find the fourth term by adding 1 upon 2 in 0 or third term. So that will be plus 1 upon 2. Simply, when we add 1 upon 2 in 0, we shall get 1 upon 2. So four terms are this: minus 1, minus 1 upon 2, 0, and 1 upon 2. Okay. So this way you can find the terms of an AP. If A and D are given, you will add A to D for second term, and then second term plus D is equal to third term plus D is equal to fourth term, or like this. Now, but your addition and subtraction or this taking LCM should be correct. Some of the students do not know how to take the LCM whether they are studying in class 10. So they does many mistakes, and that causes they do not get easily the terms of the AP. But you should learn properly addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers. Also, we can say you should learn integers properly. What happens when minus 1 is added to plus 1, you should know. Now, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Question, there is a question. You have to write the first term and the common difference. Very easy question. AP is given. very easily you can get more than 60% marks, and even you can get full marks if you do a little hard work. You should keep remember the things or the formulas, and your calculation must be correct. Each and every step should be correct. So APs are given. First AP, that is 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, sorry, plus 1, then minus 1, 3 plus 1, then minus 1, 1, minus 1, and minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are given, and we have to find the common difference and the first term. So first term is 3. First term is 3. जहाँ से AP शुरू होती है वो फर्स्ट टर्म होती है. ओके, फर्स्ट टर्म इज 3 and the common difference D is equal to second term minus first term, 1 minus 3. So D is equal to minus 2. D is minus 2, and test whether it is correct or not. From third term and the second term, if we subtract second term from the third term, D is also minus 1 minus plus 1. This is plus 1. So D is equal to minus 1 minus 1. D is equal to minus 2. This way we are getting the same common difference. Means that these are in AP. This way we can find the first term and common difference. This is the first term, very easy, and the common difference, if you subtract this from this, 1 minus 3. 3 from 1, 1 minus 3, and again minus 1 minus 1. There is a little different question in which you have to find first term and common difference. I am uploading videos daily. Please watch my scholars to learn more in maths and science. I will try also to upload the videos in science every day. I'm Samir and you are watching my scholars. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe the channel and like our video. Don't forget writing some comment in comment box, like from which city or town or country you are watching our video, or do you like our video? What is the reason behind it? Why do you like our video? So 1 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 9 upon 3, 13 upon 3. It's quite easy. Because of denominator, all the denominators are 3. I'm taking now fourth, 0.6. AP is 0.6. First term is 0.6. Second term is 1.7. Third term is 2.8. Fourth term is 3.9. So the first term is 0.6. Here first term is 0.6. 0.6. Now the second term is 17. So D is equal to second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. So that is D is equal to, second term is 1.7 minus first term is 0.6, or D is equal to, when we subtract 0.6 plus from 1.7, we shall get 1.1. So D is 1.1. Similarly, if we subtract 2.8 from 3.9, D is equal to also fourth term minus third term. Minus third term, i.e. D is equal to, fourth term is 3.9, third term is 2.8. Again we are getting 1.1, means that the given terms are in AP. Now further, next question. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. Now this is the question. Some students struck here because they do not know how to subtract, or they do some mistake in subtraction. So let us see. The question is, which of the following APs or not? Following are APs or not? If they form AP, we have to find the 3 more terms. Find 3 more terms. So first of all, we shall test whether the given sequence is an AP or not. The first one, which is very easy, that is, I shall start from that which is very easy. So 2, 4, 8, क्योंकि इजी से अगर हम शुरू करते हैं तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इजीली, 8 and 16. So we subtract, finding D. D is equal to 4 minus 2. D is equal to also 8 minus 4. D is equal to also 16 minus 8. Here we are getting 2, here we are getting 4, here we are getting 8. So D is not equal. It means the terms are not in AP. It is not an AP. Every time D is different. This is 2, this is 3, 4, sorry, this is 8. So every time D is different. It means that, therefore, the given equation or sequence, the given sequence is not in AP. Is not in AP. Since D is not same. Since D common difference is not same. Is not same. Sometimes I speak only and do not write long words. That is to save the time. So please take them as I speak, that it is written. Now the second part is 2 and 5 upon 2, 3 and 7 upon 2 are the new sequence, next sequence. given sequence. Given sequence is 2, 5.2. 2, first term is 2, second term is 5.2. Third term is 3, fourth term is 7/2. Third term is 3, fourth term is 7/2. So let us check. First term is 2. D, in all the cases, we shall check 5/2 minus 2/1. So second term minus third term. Oh sorry, first term. Second term minus first term. D is equal to second term minus first term. So that is D is equal to second term is 5/2 minus first term is 2, or D is equal to taking LCM. So that is 2. 5 minus 2 to the 4. 5 minus 4, that is 1/2. In first case we have got D is equal to 1/2. Now again testing. Third term, D is also equal to third term minus second term. And that is third term is 3 and second term is 5/2. So 3 minus 5/2. Again we shall take LCM. LCM is 2. 3 to the 6. 6 minus 5. So that is plus 1/2. 6 minus 5. That is 1/2. One more. D, fourth term minus third term. Fourth term minus third term. Or D is equal to fourth term is 7/2 minus third term. Third term is 3/1 or 3. So D is equal to 2, 7 minus 3 to the 6. 7 minus 3 to the 6. When we take LCM, that is 2. 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2 and 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. That is 1/2. In all the cases, D is 1/2. It means that the given sequence is in AP. Always D is 1/2. So given sequence is in AP. If we subtract these two, we get D is equal to 1/2. If we subtract these two, we are getting D is equal to 1/2. If we subtract these two, we are getting D is equal to 1/2. In all the cases, we are getting D is equal to 1/2. So the given expression or given sequence is in AP. When the given sequence is in AP, we have to find 3 more terms. So 3 more terms. Third term plus 1/2. Easily we shall find 3 more terms. 3 more terms. Means that fourth term is equal to third term fifth term, sorry, 5th, 6th, 7th, we shall find fifth term is equal to fourth term plus D. Fourth term plus D. So that is fourth term is 7 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. So that will be 8 upon 2, means that 2 fours are 8, 4. So third term will be 4. We can write here 4. Third term is 4. Fifth term is 4, because of there are 4 terms which are given. So fifth term is 4. Sixth term, we have to find fifth, sixth and seventh term. Sixth term is equal to 4 plus 1 upon 2, means that 9 upon 2. That is straightforward, I am writing 9 upon 2. You calculate. 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9, 9 upon 2. So fourth term is 9 upon 2. And fifth term will be fourth term plus 1 upon 2. Fifth term, fifth, sixth, seventh term. Seventh term is equal to sixth term 9 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. So that will be 10 upon 2. 9 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. That is 10 upon 2, means that 5. Seventh term is 5. So fifth term is 4, sixth term is 9 upon 2, seventh term is 5. We have got 3 terms. Now no need to do further. 4, then 9 upon 2, and then 5. These are the next 3 terms of the given AP. Write the 3 more terms of the given AP. Now we are taking another example, minus 1.2, another sequence, given sequences. Another sequence, taking another sequence. Please like and subscribe our channel. Another example is minus 1 upon 2. Minus 1 upon 2. First term. Second term is minus 1.2. Minus 1.2. Minus 1.2. Minus 3.2. Minus 3.2. Minus 5.2. Minus 7.2. So there are 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. And first we shall find whether these terms are in AP or not. So first, second term minus first term, D is equal to second minus first term, or D is equal to minus 3.2 minus 1.2. Always write it in bracket when there are 2 minus. So that will become minus 3.2, minus plus 1.2, and that is minus, since 3.2 is greater than 1.2, minus 2. So first D is minus 2. Now next D, from when we subtract this from this, 5.2, 3.2 from 5.2, D is also equal to minus 5.2 minus 3.2 minus 5.2 plus 3.2. So we are getting minus 2. Subtract like this if you are feeling any doubt. 5.2, 3.2 minus with this 2 minus 2 0, 0.5 minus 3 2. Okay, larger digits are kept as subtra head, and this is kept as subtracta, and this is after subtraction. So this way minus 5 plus 3 upon 3.5 minus 5.2 plus 3.2 is equal to 2, minus 2. D is minus 2. In third case, we subtract 7.2, D with green, minus 7.2 minus 5.2, that is D is equal to minus 7.2 plus 5.2, so that is also minus 2. Every time we are getting minus 2, 1, minus 2, minus 2. So this way the given terms are in AP, or given sequence is in AP. Therefore the given sequence is in AP. Therefore the given sequence is in AP. Correct. Now taking another example. Some students feel difficulty while subtracting. Example like this. Other four terms of this AP or this sequence will be directly here doing here. Add minus 2 in this. So that will be minus 9.2. Minus 9.2. Next term. And similarly we can get more terms. Minus 9.2. And if we add minus 2 in 9.2, we get 11.2. So minus 11.2. Minus 9.2 minus 2 is added, D is added, sorry, 2.0. 2.9 minus 2, 7. So 7.2, we are getting this term minus 7.2. It means it is correct. If we add minus 2 and minus 9.2, we shall get 11.2. 11.2 minus 11.2. If we add minus 2 and minus 11.2, we shall get minus 13.2. So this way there are three terms, three more terms of the given sequence. Now I am getting another example which is related with roots. Some students feel difficulty while subtracting or adding the numbers in roots, but don't worry, it will be very easy. I shall make it easy for you. So the next example is, I am taking 3 is the first term. There is new sequence which is of which first term is 3, second term is 3 plus root 2, third term is 3 plus 2 root 2, fourth term is 3 plus 3 root 2. So very easy, we can find D is equal to A2 minus A1. So finding that is equal to A2 is this 3 plus root 2 minus 3. Should I write it with green color so that you can easily understand? 3 plus root 2 whole bracket minus 3. When we shall open the bracket, that will be 3 plus root 2 minus 3, and this 3 will cancel with this 3. So d is equal to root 2. We have got d is equal to root 2. D is equal to root 2. In second case, d is also is equal to a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2. That is equal to a3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. Further, and next step, d is equal to three plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus plus minus root 2. So 3 is cancelled with this 3, and 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to root 2. Again we have got d is equal to root 2. D is equal to root 2. And in this case, last case, d is equal to a4 minus a3. Whether it is correct or not, a4 minus a3, we shall check. That is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2. Solving it further, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3, minus into plus is equal to minus, minus into plus is equal to minus, 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 is cancelled with this 3. Oh, 2 times I have written 3. Minus 3 minus 2 root 2. So 3 is cancelled with this 3, and 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is equal to root 2. In all the cases we are getting d is equal to root 2. It means that the given terms are in AP, or the given sequence is in AP. Thus the given sequence is in AP. Always d is root 2. We see that d is equal to root 2 in all the cases. In all the cases. Therefore, the given terms are in AP. The sequence is in AP. Therefore, the sequence is in AP. Now the other three terms of this AP. So we will add root 2 in each and get the next three terms. Very simple. 3 root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2. Next term is 3 plus 4 root 2. First, second, third, fourth, fifth term is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus d root 2. So that is 3 plus 3 cannot be added in this 3. 3 plus this root 2 can be added with root 2. This is 1 root 2 and this is 3 root 2. 3 plus 1, 4 root 2. Now fifth term. Sixth term is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2. That will be 3 plus 5 root 2. Never add this root 2 with this 3. 3 plus 5 root 2 is the sixth term. Seventh term, 3 plus 5 root 2 means fourth term plus root 2. That is 3 plus 6 root 2. So other three terms are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. Root 2 by root 2 it is increasing. Taking another example of a sequence, is it clear to you? If there is any difficulty, you may ask by writing it in comment box. Other sequences 0.2. It is confusing, little confusing, but don't be confused. 0.22 and the third term is 0.32 and the fourth term is 0.42. 0.1, 2, 3, 4. So this is first term. We shall check D. Whether D is, if we subtract root 2, 0.2 from 0.22, we shall get 0.22 minus 0.2. We shall get 0.02. Since it will become like this, 0.02. So the D is in first case 0.02. D is equal to second term minus A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. A2, it is better to write minus A1. So that is 0.22 minus 0.02. And the next case, D is also is equal to A3 minus A2. Let us see. A3 is 0.222 minus 0.22. We are getting here, what was our result? In first case 0.02. Oh, I have written directly minus 0.2. Result is 0.02 from here, 0.02. Now in this case subtract, that is 1, 2, 3, 2, 0.32, out of which 0.02 2, 2, and 0 can be placed. So that is 2, 0, 0. So we shall get 0.002. D is not same. 0.2 cannot be equal to 0.002. So D is not same. And in third case, D is equal to also A4 minus A3, which is 0.2222 minus 0.1232. So that we shall get D is equal to, in this case, 0.000 and 2. So D is different in all the cases. In first case it is 0.2. In second case means that 2 upon 100, 2 upon 1000, 2 upon 10,000. So D is not same. So this way, this is not in, the given sequence is not in AP. Only the subtraction was difficult for you here. So you could be confused and write wrong answer in this case. Since you are getting 2, 2, 2 everywhere, you can say it is in AP, but it is not in AP. You see it carefully and decide. This is 2 upon 100, this is 2 upon 1000, this is 2 upon 10,000. So all are not equal. This way, the sequence is not in AP. The given sequence is not in AP. The given sequence is not in AP. Since D is different always. Since D is different, in each case. Now, another example in which you may confuse whether it is in AP or not. It is minus 1 upon 2. First term is minus 1 upon 2. Second term is also minus 1 upon 2. Third term is also minus 1 upon 2. Fourth term is also minus 1 upon 2. So you might confuse. All the terms are same. So you can feel that it is not in AP, but it is in AP. I will tell you how it is in AP. How it is in AP. It is first term A1. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. We shall find quickly. That is minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. That is minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. That is 0. In this case also it will be 0. In this case also it will be 0. Similarly, we have to do in all the cases. So D is 0. A is equal to minus 1 upon 2 and D is equal to 0. So this way, therefore D is same for all the cases. Therefore the given sequence D may also be 0. Common difference 0 भी हो सकता है, means that the same number will be repeated till the end so many times. The given sequence is in AP. Since D is always 0. तो इस तरह की सिचुएशन भी हो सकती है कि D 0 हो, तब भी आपको जो है सीक्वेंस ए बी में होगी. And other 4 terms, or sorry 3 terms, that will be 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, if we are 0 and 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2, other 3 terms, other 3 terms. Everywhere we have to add 0, minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. Very simple. Taking another example. In which the first term is square root 2, square root 2. Second term is square root 8, square root 8. Third term is square root 18. Fourth term is square root 32. Here we can write this sequence by factorizing inside the square root, this 1. So square root 8 can be written as square root 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8. Out of this 3 2, we can take 1 2 out of the bracket. That square root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. And now about square root 18. Square root 18 can be written as square root 2 into 3 into 3. 3 is the 9 to the 18. So if we take 3 common outside the square root 3 root 2. 18 can be written as 3 root 2. So square root 18 is equal to 3 root 2. And for square root 32, you have to factorize inside it first and then decide. Don't decide directly by subtracting this from this, this from this, this from this. 32, factorize inside. 32 will be factorized like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this way pairs 2, 2. So that can be written as 4 root 2. 16 to the 32. So square root 16 means 4 root 2. Now our new sequence is root 2. First is root 2. Second is 2 root 2. Third is 3 root 2. Fourth is 4 root 2. Now we shall find D. D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 2 root 2 minus root 2. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So that is root 2. So D is equal to root 2. A2 minus A1, by A2 minus A1, D is equal to root 2. And D is also is equal to A3 minus A2. Check whether A3 minus A2. This minus this. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. So that is root 2. So d is equal to root 2 again. Root 2 again. Now subtracting fourth from third means that this minus this. D is also a4 minus a3 is equal to 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, that is root 2. Means that in all the cases d is equal to root 2. So this is in AP. Therefore the given sequence is in AP. This way a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3 is equal to root 2. In all the cases it is root 2. Therefore d is same in all the cases. D is same in all the cases. Means that common difference is same in or equal all the cases. Hence the given sequence is in AP. Hence the given is in AP. Now the other terms of this AP. This is 2 root 2. Sorry, this is root 2. First term is root 2. Second term is 2 root 2. We made this 2 root 2. हमने इसको प्रूव करके बताया आपको. Third term is 3 root 2. 3 root 2. Fourth term is 4 root 2. तो fifth term क्या होगी? 5 root 2. Fifth term is 5 root 2. 5 root 2. Sixth term क्या होगी? 6 root 2. 6 root 2. Seventh term क्या होगी? 7 root 2. This way there are 3 more terms by adding root 2 in each case. Or we can say it is 4 4 is 16, 5 5 is 25 2 is 50, root 50, and it is 6 6 is 36 2 is 72, root 72. Again in same way we are writing, and it is 7 7 is 49 2 is 49 2 is 98, 98, root 98. So the other 3 terms of the sequence are root 50, root 72, root 98. Answer. Five root 2 can be written as root 50. When we shall take 5 inside the square root, that will be square. 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50, and 6 will be same way, is square. 6 6 are 32, 6 6 are 36, 2s are 72. 7 is square, 7 7s are 49, 2s are 98. So this way. So the remaining portion is in our next video. Please watch our video every day. Thank you for watching my scholar. Please like and subscribe our channel.